1, 2. Oh.
What's up, guys? This is A.
And this is Z, and today we are making regular slime again.
Yeah, because what's up, guys? This is A.
And this is Z, and today we are making regular slime.
Yeah, we're doing it again because those last two slime videos were just bad.
Terrible.
Yeah, terrible. So what you will need is glue,
Water for hot water, a cup of hot water for the borax solution. And you need borax.
yeah, and
1
then
teaspoon.
for the slime you need glue, lotion,
Hand soap, foaming.
and shaving cream, or foam, and food coloring. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna put this aside. And what you guys are gonna do first is pour the
Glue in.
Sorry, guys.
And do you want me to start the mixture, A?
Yeah, you can show them how to do
So
it.
you just need 1 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of borax. But we're not going to use exact measure.
Yeah. And now I'm just gonna add lotion to make the starting touch here, but it's optional. Sorry guys, my brother's making me laugh. Now we're gonna add shaving cream to make your slime fluffy.
Pour that, pour that. Oh!
Sorry guys, my brother is just being silly. Now we're gonna add foam soap, and you just want like 2 cups or 3. I added 3. And now we're gonna add food coloring. Now we're just gonna mix it in. Oh, now we're just gonna mix it in. As you guys can see, it's blue. Like, I'm just gonna come up and show you guys. It's like blue, icy blue. So you want to combine the ingredients well. I'm just gonna
So
add.
now I got the borax mixture all done.
Yeah. And now Z is going to keep on adding it while I'm going to keep on mixing the slime.
You add the borax mixture bit by bit to make sure the slime
Yeah.
gets even.
Yeah.
And you don't want to put a lot. You don't want to put a lot at a time. That was my first mistake when I made slime.
And see,
So
you guys.
don't worry if you did it too.
See, you guys, it's making slime. I'm just going to add more. One tip, you guys, is that you can add contact so it's not that sticky.
At first.
Yeah. When you touch it.
And then you can add the borax mixture to the glue at first, but we just did it last.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, this is fluffy slime. We are making it with a fluffy slime mixture. Oh my goodness, it's watery.
Yeah, it's kind of getting watery now.
So it may look like a lot of slime because from such little amounts of glue, but it's gonna, when you play with it, it's gonna turn back into its normal amount.
Yeah,
So
like,
you can make a lot or a little, depending on what you want to play with. Is it sticky?
yeah. It's kind of sticky.
Not really so.
Here, you want to add, so she's going to add a little bit of borax solution. I'm just going to mix it in with my hand.
Yeah, once it gets to a slime texture, you start beating it with your hands.
Yeah.
Is it sticky still or no?
Yes. It's very sticky. Can you add borax solution, please? So we're just going to add a little more borax solution. Okay. Ah, it's hot.
Well, yeah, it has to be hot water. And this is pretty much what I take. This is the water I take obviously, so it's not hot for me.
So you
Isn't
guys,
that
this is
borax
it.
solution?
It's slime.
Fluffy slime.
Yeah, it's fluffy slime. What? So,
Nice.
no,
Fluffy
it's
slime.
sticky.
Oh, yes it is.
So Z. Okay, you
You
guys.
need to get used to that.
Stuck to his hand, guys. Yeah. And that.
Well, Well, guys, the fluffy slime is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment for a shout
We're
out
not
in the
doing
next
this
video.
video. That's it.
To cut it. I cut. Oh, I didn't cut it.
No.